A terrorist group in Bahrain, backed by Iran, has claimed to have launched a second attack on Israel. The Islamic resistance in Bahrain, Shia al-Ashtar, first made this claim on May 2, reported by Jerusalem Post. The group suggested that it had targeted an Israeli company in Eilat on April 27, using drones. However, there is no proof that these alleged attacks have occurred or been successful. The group has shared a video, without a date, showing a drone being launched. On May 4, Iran's IRNA reported that the group had announced a second attack on Eilat. The Bahraini resistance group, Ashtar Brigades, has declared its second assault on Israeli positions in support of the Palestinian people in Gaza, which is ravaged by war, IRNA reported. The group has been designated as a terrorist organization by the U.S. Bahrain, a member of the Abraham Accords, has a Shiite minority, and Iran has frequently attempted to influence this community in Bahrain and cause unrest in the kingdom. Mohammed al-Abbasi, the official spokesperson for the National Communications Center, has confirmed that the Kingdom of Bahrain categorizes the Shia al-Ashtar group, which operates outside the kingdom, as a terrorist organization. This designation is shared by several countries, including the United States of America and the United Kingdom. During the 15th summit of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) in Banjul, Gambia, Iran is likely encouraging the Bahrain group to make these claims. Iran's foreign minister, Hossein Amirabdollahian, is urging countries at the summit to sever ties with Israel. Consequently, Iran seems to be attempting to establish a new front against Israel. Iran already employs Hamas in Gaza, Palestinian Islamic Jihad in the West Bank, Hezbollah in Lebanon, the Houthis in Yemen, and militias in Iraq and Syria to attack Israel. Iran also launched an attack on Israel on April 13 to 14. Iran's foreign minister met with his Saudi counterparts in Gambia on May 4. Iran may be attempting to convey a message that it can destabilize Bahrain, a close ally of Saudi Arabia, and is encouraging this terrorist proxy to make these claims in that context. According to IRNA, the Ashtar Brigades emphasized in its statement that it will persist in attacks against the Israeli regime until it ceases its war on Gaza and lifts its blockade of the Palestinian territory. The Iranian media also alleged that the Bahraini resistance group executed its first anti-Israel attack on April 27, targeting Eilat port with drones. The Iranian media acknowledged that other groups in the region, including those in Yemen, Iraq, and Lebanon, have also struck Israeli targets in recent months in an attempt to compel the regime to stop its genocidal war on Gaza. It is evident that Iran is attempting to ignite the region and is using its proxies to achieve this. It is openly admitting this is part of its objective to alter the regional order and use the October 7 attack as part of a shift in the new world order that Iran believes is emerging.